Excellent work, sir.
Thank you, sir. That
Where
would
did-
get you a lot of comments.
Yeah.
Had a lady,
Who taught you how to do that? Was it your daddy, uncle, or?
Rip Man in Copper Hill, Tennessee.
Well, I'll be darned. Yeah, that's an old skill, probably.
He teaches classes up there.
Well, I'll be darned. Well, you've done some beautiful work, and of course, it's going to be.
One of the ladies came by the shop the other day. I was chopping, and she said, "Bill, what are you doing?" I said, "I'm making a bowl to keep me from going crazy." She said, "You didn't start soon enough."
It's amazing. Whatever you enjoy doing is what's important.
Makes your motor run, ain't it?
That's right, sir. All right, thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Heritage Days here at the museum. A beautiful day. Very nice displays.
If you ever go to Copper Hill, don't tell my teacher I scored my bowl with a chainsaw. He told me you don't do that.
I've seen people carve big log things like totem poles and stuff with a chainsaw, and in the fine work with tools like you're using.